Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bacon jam. This incredible condiment transforms crispy bacon into a rich, spreadable delight. It is surprisingly simple to create, requiring just a few common ingredients and a bit of patience. You will learn to render bacon, caramelize onions, and simmer everything to perfection. Get ready to elevate your meals with this fantastic savory sweet spread. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of good quality, thick-cut bacon, diced into small, manageable pieces. Next, prepare 1 large onion, finely chopped, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. For the liquids, have on hand about 1/4 cup of strong brewed coffee, 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. A touch of brown sugar will also enhance the flavor. Now let's get cooking. Start by rendering your diced bacon in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat until it is wonderfully crispy. Carefully drain off most of the rendered fat, leaving just a tablespoon or 2. Next, add your finely chopped onion and minced garlic to the pot, cooking them until they are soft and translucent. Finally, pour in the coffee, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, and a tablespoon of brown sugar, then simmer for about 2 hours. Once your bacon jam has simmered down and thickened, it is time for the finishing touches. You can either mash the mixture with a fork for a chunkier texture, or pulse it a few times in a food processor for a smoother spread. Be sure to taste and adjust the seasoning, adding a pinch more salt, pepper, or even a dash more apple cider vinegar if desired. Store your delicious homemade bacon jam in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.